Hi guys, today I'm going to deal with the problems on ages topic. So here, if you have understood the ratios and proportions, then it will be very easy for you guys to move on with the problems on ages. So before starting with the problems, I have a few points to tell you. So let's see what are the few points and then move on with the problems. These are the few points which I am going to tell about ages. See, in ages we will deal with past, present and future. To represent the past in the question, they will use words which I have underlined here, that is ago, before, earlier, back or last year, with the words of was or were. Okay, so to represent the present term in the equation, they will use now with is, are. Okay, for the future they will use words like this, which is after or hence, next year, later, from now, since now, in X years, with the words of will be or shall be. Okay, from these keywords you can find the question is past, present or future and move on with the problems. So now let's deal with the problems and I will tell you how to solve these kind of problems. So here for the first sum, the ratios of age of A and B is 5:4 and the sum of their age is 72, and they have asked what will be the ratio of their ages after 6 years. They have given the ratio of the present age and their present age total, and we have to find their the ratio of their age after 6 years. Okay, now you have understood the question, I think. Now let's move on to the problem and work on with it. See, from the question I have found that the sum of their age is 72. So if I add these two ratios, I'll get 72. Okay, so 5 plus 4 will give me 9, which is 72. Okay, now from here I will cancel it by 9 table and 1 here 8. Okay, so 1 8. Okay, so I need to find the present age separately. So the ratio of A is to E is 5:4, we know from the question. Okay, now I'm going to multiply this 8 with A and E here. Okay, multiplying 8 here and here, I'll get the ratio of the 5 into 8 will give me 40 is to 32. Okay, this is the age, present age of A and E. Okay, so now they have asked the ratio between their ages after 6 years. So I will add 6 with each of them and I will get a new ratio of 46 is to 38. Okay, so by cancelling each and every term, I'll get 23 is to 19, which is the ratio between their A and E after 6 years. This is what the answer. Okay, so now let's move on with the second problem. See, for the second question, the present age of 3 persons in ratio 4:7:9, and they have given a second point as 8 years ago the sum of their age was 56. Now we have to find the present age of these 3 persons separately. So let's see how we can deal with the sum. See, from the question I have taken and written the ratios. Okay, so after that, in the second point in the question, what I have here is 8 years ago their sum of their age was 56. Okay, so I am going to write a ratio for these 3 persons 8 years ago. See, this is the ratio of 8 years ago of these three persons. See, 8 years ago represents me the past, so I'm writing it as -8. Okay, so if I add these three ratios, my sum of their age will be 56. Okay, so this is the equation which I have formed by adding these three ratios, which gives me 56. Now from this equation I am going to find the x value. So now I have found the x value here, which is x equal to 4, and I need to multiply this x equal to 4 in the old ratio which they have given to find the present age, as the old ratio is the ratio of these three persons at the present age. So I will multiply this 4 with 4 and 4 with 7 and again 4 with 9. Then I will get the answer of these three persons' age separately, that is the present age. Okay, see, after multiplying this 4 with each and every number of this ratio, I have got the three persons' age separately. The first person has an age of 16, and next is 28 and 36. Okay, this is the present age of these three persons. Now let's move on with the third problem. So for the third sum, what I have here is the respective ratio of at the present age of Sita and Geeta is 8:9. The sum of their age is 68. They have asked to find the ratio between Sita and Geeta after 10 years. Okay, hence represents the future. So they have asked to find the ratio of their ages after 10 years. Okay, now see, I have taken and written the ratio of their present age. Okay, so in the question they have said sum of their age is 68. So if I add 8 and 9, I'll get 17, which is 68. From here I will get 1 is 4. So now to find the separate ages, that is the present age of Sita and Geeta, I have to multiply this 4 with 8 and this 4 with 9. Okay, so I will get Sita, Geeta. Okay, and their age will be 8 4s are 32 is to 36. Okay, this is their present age separately, and now they have asked us to find the ratio after 10 years. So I'm going to add 10 with each of them. So if after adding I will get 42 is to 46, and now after cancelling I will get a new ratio of 1 is 21 is to 23. See, now I have got the answer, that is the ratio of their ages after 10 years. Okay, now let's move on with the fourth problem. See, for the fourth problem they have said Mohan and Shogun are the age of 35 and 40 years respectively. After how many years their ratio will become 9:10? So they have given their ages separately, and they have asked if how many years is added to them, their ratio will become 9:10. So now we can write it like this. So Mohan and Shogun, if I add their age with some value, I'll get the ratio as 9/10, which is 9:10. So I have written it in the equation form. Now after cross multiplying them, I'll get a value of x. So let's see how we can multiply them. See, I have cross multiplied and written an equation, and now by taking x term on one side and another term on another side, I will get the x value as 10. See, they have asked how many years, so it is 10 years. Okay, so I think you have understood this topic on ages. So keep on practicing these problems and you will get very easy concept of them. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.